Hi y'all. Today, we're as you saw in the intro, we're gonna be getting max mastery on the sound fruit. Wow, that does a lot of damage. Or actually, let's wait for Jay to join first, actually, so he can get on shit too. Jay, Jay over here. What's up? All right, so now we're gonna hop on the ship. Hop on the ship. All right, now are you on, Jay? We're gonna head to.
Guys, stay tuned for my channel.
Alright, so now that we're at Tiki Outpost, the new highest island in Thursday, that's gonna make grinding way faster. We're going to. Oh, I can't switch to Buddha. Even though
Not every tactical YouTuber does it.
I don't have Buddha, and plus that wouldn't help me out at all.
You do have.
Oh, actually, let's go to the next people. This is the highest people over here.
Who?
Over here. Oh, never mind. We were at the right place.
Bruh. My spiky trying like bruh.
Hey. Wow, that gave me so much mastery. Do I have my next move yet? Oh, he's not even dead. Yes, I have my next move, Fortissimo.
Are you gonna murder him or not? End of misery.
Whoa! I did not see that correctly. Hold up, when the mastery goes away, I need to.
This video gonna be quick.
For real, this is not as big as a fruit as Dragon. It had to have 2 parts. Depends on how I'm feeling. We got a new ability.
What?
Symphonic Radiance. So
Is it a 200 move?
this is the holding ability.
It's a 200 move.
No, 170. Oh, I love that move so much. It looks so fire. Oh, I had the gold stuff. If you guys don't know, sound has this like meter thingy, and
I have it too.
oh, it heals you. I think. Does it heal you?
Yeah, it is.
Now I'm at 113 mastery.
never die. I'm that guy.
Now I got something to make my tempo meter go up faster.
It's at 260. Yeah.
So now we only need 250 more masteries. Now we're gonna cut to 230. So finally we got 249 mastery. Now, now we're going to get the last mastery with you guys, and then we're gonna showcase all the moves together. So let's just get the quest real quick, because I'm not max level anymore, because they raised the max level. Rhapsody Notes, Fortissimo, Symphonic Radiance, and then my golden form, plus this makes me flash. Fortissimo, Symphonic Radiance again, and then we do Rhapsody Notes. That's the little combo I have. Oh, that was quick. Now we have Glorious Harmony. Oh, that's a big move. That hurt my screen, bruh. Now these moves are like good. I don't know why people are saying sound is mid. I mean, I understand like for most of the fruits and Blox fruits, sound is pretty mid, but like it's not bad at all to me. All right, so first move we got is Rhapsody Notes, 3 hits, pretty mid. Then from the side we do Fortissimo, it's like a knockback ability. Then Symphonic Radiance, which is that, and then Glorious Harmony, which is that. And then we have the moves again, just in golden form. Still the same, it's just they're golden and they do a little more damage. Fortissimo, Symphonic Radiance, Rhapsody Notes, and then Glorious Harmony. Sorry, you can't see it that well. I'm on mobile. Alright, so, yeah, that's it. We mastered sound. Yeah. Bye.